Oh, I saw your question in the mail. You said like 15 and on, so I'll work a couple of them, and hopefully you can fill in the blank. And so the first part you seem okay. It's the graphing tool, which seems to be giving you difficulty. The amplitude is just a coefficient here, which is understood to be 1. And then the period is 2 pi over b. B is 2, so it'll be 2 pi over 2. It'll be 2 pi over 2, which is pi. So get out of that. Oops. So, put pi here, and I guess they give you an option here. The phase shift, I find it by set what, a couple ways to do it, but I just set what's in the parentheses equal to 0. So you set 2x minus pi equals 0. You seem to do okay on this part. Add pi to each side, but so it'll be 2x equal pi, and then divide by 2. So the phase shift is pi halves. So we put that in there. Pi over 2. So when I looked at your homework, you had this correct. So then you click here. We want to draw the sine, and I think here's your problem. You want to draw sine. This is sine tool, and this is the cosine tool. So we need to click on the sine tool, and I just click on the origin. And real problem's probably filling in this box here. So you want to type 1 here, and that's the amplitude. The period is pi. So we just need to get rid of that 2, so no backspace. I got rid of the 2. And the only other thing I need to do is change notice it changed up here. Change the phase shift. I need to set the phase shift to pi halves. Now I don't see any option to type pi here, so I just type pi, and it puts pi there. Then I hit over 2 on my keyboard. And you see the changes take place there. And I click save, and it saves it there with all the modification. The period of it is pi. Its amplitude's 1. Phase shift is pi halves. It's been shifted over, I guess, pi halves. We can check it. It checks well. I was going to work another one here, like 19. So the amplitude on this one's like 7. And then we come here, we just go to graphing tool. Now that's sine tool, we got to click on the cosine tool. We just click anywhere here. This pops up. The only thing that's we got to change is the amplitude. We just put in 7 here for the new amplitude. And it changes it for us, and we just save that. And, okay, where'd I go wrong at? Looks like they want 2 graphs on this one. I haven't graphed it. I just graphed that. They also want to graph a y equal cosine of x. So I just need to click on the cosine graph and just click here. Click save it. So I need 2 graphs to y equal cosine x, y equals 7 cosine x. And I check, and I get it right that time. I just had 1 graph there. Hope this